Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. My channel is Eisenhard JM. I do videos on a daily basis, bringing you apps and websites. Put a little extra money in your pocket. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Alright, today's video is surveys on the go. You can get it through the Apple App Store or Google Play. Just sign up. I'll put the link below. Go through the process. It's location based, and you get like 1 or 2 surveys a day. I already have $2.10. You cash out at $10 minimum. Also, you can cash out Amazon gift card, Visa, Starbucks, PayPal. Show you some reviews. I'm going through this, test this guy's out, see how fast you get paid out, and I'll post another video on that one. So yeah, so far I like this. Neat little app. I recommend it. Well, guys, that's all I got for this one. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Till my next video, guys. Peace, guys. I'm out.